Imagine floating in the silent darkness of space surrounded by twinkling stars. You look ahead and see a giant slowly coming into view. Its presence is undeniable and humbling. You realize that this is no ordinary planet. You are witnessing Jupiter, the king of our solar system, a world so immense that it challenges your imagination. Jupiter is so big that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Its sheer size makes it a wonder beyond words. Standing next to it would make even the largest skyscrapers seem tiny. Its diameter stretches more than 140,000 kilometers. That is more than 11 times the width of our planet. When we think of big planets, we often imagine vast deserts and mountains, but Jupiter is different. It is a gas giant, a planet mostly made of swirling hydrogen and helium. Unlike Earth, it has no solid surface. You would sink into its dense atmosphere if you tried to land. Its clouds form stunning bands of brown, white, red, and gold, creating a moving masterpiece in the sky. Looking closer, you notice the great red spot, a storm so enormous it could swallow Earth 3 times over. This storm has raged for centuries, larger than any hurricane we have ever known. Its winds move faster than the fastest tornado on Earth. As you watch it churn, you feel the raw power that exists on a scale impossible to imagine. The beauty of Jupiter is not just in its size, but in the way it moves. Its atmosphere rotates in stripes with different speeds. The equator spins faster than the poles, giving it a stretched shape. It is flattened at the top and bottom like a spinning ball of cream. This movement is not random, but a dance of physics that has been going on for billions of years. Jupiter has moons more than 70 in number. Each one is a world of its own. Some are icy and some are rocky. Some hide oceans beneath frozen shells. Among them is Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, bigger than Mercury. Imagine a moon so massive that it could be its own planet in a different solar system. Even Jupiter's magnetic field is a marvel. It is the strongest of any planet in our solar system. It traps particles in a huge invisible bubble that protects its moons from cosmic radiation. This field is so powerful it creates auroras at its poles, lights brighter than anything on Earth. When you witness them, you realize Jupiter is alive in a way we can barely understand. If you could fly close to Jupiter, your senses would be overwhelmed. You would see lightning bolts larger than entire continents. You would feel the pull of gravity stronger than anything on Earth, and yet the planet spins so fast that a day lasts only 10 hours. This rapid rotation stretches it further, making it even more dramatic. Scientists have studied Jupiter for centuries from Earth using telescopes. Galileo first observed its moons in 1610. He realized that not everything revolved around our planet, that the universe was bigger than anyone had imagined. Every discovery about Jupiter has taught us more about the cosmos and our place in it. Even more fascinating is that Jupiter may have played a role in protecting Earth from its immense gravity. Comets and asteroids are pulled away from our planet. Instead of facing constant bombardment, our planet had a chance to develop life. In a way, Jupiter is a cosmic guardian watching over us silently. The planet also holds clues about the birth of our solar system. Its composition is similar to the Sun, hinting at the primordial cloud of gas and dust that gave birth to all the planets. Scientists study its atmosphere to understand the early conditions of our cosmic neighborhood. The more we learn, the more it seems that Jupiter is a living museum of the universe. But Jupiter still holds mysteries. We are unsure if it has a solid core or a giant liquid metallic heart deep inside. Hydrogen behaves in strange ways under extreme pressure. These conditions cannot be replicated on Earth, making Jupiter a natural laboratory for physics. Every mission we send brings us closer to understanding its secrets. In recent years, spacecraft like Juno have revealed Jupiter like never before. Its instruments measure magnetic fields, gravity waves, and atmospheric composition. Every image shows details never seen before, revealing storms, clouds, and auroras in stunning clarity. The more we see, the more we are humbled by the giant that seems almost mythical. Imagine standing on a moon like Europa looking up at Jupiter. Its immense size fills the sky from horizon to horizon, a sight so breathtaking that no photo can capture it fully. You feel small yet connected to something enormous, a cosmic reminder that the universe is vast and full of wonders beyond comprehension. Jupiter also challenges our imagination about space travel. Humans have not landed there and likely never will. Its atmosphere is deadly, crushing, and filled with radiation, but studying it inspires curiosity and drives exploration. Its mysteries fuel dreams about what lies beyond our tiny world. Every fact about Jupiter invites new questions. How do its storms last so long? Why is its magnetic field so strong? How do its moons interact with its gravity? Each discovery leads to another, opening doors to endless possibilities and cosmic adventures. The gas giant also influences other planets. Its gravitational pull nudges asteroids, comets, and even other planets, subtly shaping their orbits. Its presence affects the solar system like a conductor guiding a symphony. The dance of planets owes a rhythm to the invisible hand of Jupiter. Even from afar, Jupiter's glow captivates astronomers. Its bands of clouds are constantly shifting colors from creams to browns to reds. The great red spot changes size and shape, hinting at hidden dynamics inside. The visual spectacle is like watching an ever-changing painting in the sky, a masterpiece of cosmic proportions. Its moons are equally mysterious. Callisto may harbor frozen lakes beneath its surface. Io has volcanoes erupting constantly. Europa may have liquid water oceans and even the possibility of life. Each moon is a story waiting to be explored, offering clues about how planets and moons evolve over time. Theories about Jupiter's formation also inspire wonder. Some scientists believe it formed very quickly, drawing gas from the early solar nebula. Others suggest it migrated from a different part of the solar system, colliding and interacting with other planets. These theories highlight how dynamic and unpredictable our cosmic neighborhood truly is. Jupiter reminds us that size is relative in the vastness of the universe. Even a giant like Jupiter is a speck among stars, but for us it is the first giant we can study closely, a natural laboratory, a cosmic marvel. It teaches us about gravity, magnetism, atmospheres, and even the protection of life on Earth. Thinking about Jupiter also stirs philosophical questions. What does it mean to exist in a universe so immense? How do we fit into the cosmic puzzle? How does a planet so powerful and vast shape life in ways we barely notice? Contemplating Jupiter invites humility, wonder, and awe all at once. As we continue exploring Jupiter with spacecraft, telescopes, and simulations, we uncover more pieces of a puzzle that has existed for billions of years. Every image and measurement expands our imagination, showing us that the universe is more intricate than we ever thought. Every discovery makes us both smaller and more connected to the cosmos. Even as technology advances, Jupiter remains a challenge. The pressures, temperatures, and radiation cannot be fully simulated. Our understanding comes from clever engineering, imagination, and patience. Each new probe brings knowledge that changes our view of the universe in unexpected ways. Looking at Jupiter from Earth inspires curiosity and dreams. It reminds us that the night sky is alive with mysteries waiting to be discovered. Each band of cloud, each moon, each storm is a story about physics, chemistry, and cosmic history waiting for those who dare to explore. We may never walk on Jupiter, yet it teaches us about exploration in its purest form. The giant planet pushes the boundaries of human knowledge and imagination. It reminds us that the universe is not static but alive, dynamic, and full of wonders waiting for the curious mind. As we orbit around our understanding of Jupiter, we realize it is more than a planet. It is a mirror reflecting the complexity of the universe, a teacher showing us how gravity, gas, storms, and moons interact on scales far beyond human experience. Its enormity is a lesson in humility and awe. Every time we look at Jupiter through a telescope, we glimpse a world beyond our daily life. Its storms, colors, and moons tell stories of physics and time. The Great Red Spot reminds us that some phenomena endure for centuries, that some forces are eternal and unstoppable. Even future exploration promises more revelations. Perhaps we will find evidence of life beneath the ice of Europa. Perhaps the secrets of Jupiter's core will reveal new physics that changes how we understand matter and energy. Perhaps its magnetic field will teach us how to harness energy in ways we cannot imagine. The story of Jupiter is a story of curiosity, courage, and imagination. It challenges us to see beyond our planet, to understand a world that dwarfs our own. It pushes us to explore, discover, and dream, reminding us that the universe is vast and full of wonders that can ignite awe in every observer. And so the giant planet continues its eternal spin, storms raging, clouds shifting, moons dancing in orbit, a silent monarch of the solar system, holding secrets, wonders, and mysteries that captivate every curious mind that dares to look beyond the sky. A reminder that in the vastness of space, there is always more to see, more to learn, and more to imagine. Jupiter stands as a testament to the incredible scale and beauty of our solar system. It challenges perception, inspires discovery, and invites endless curiosity. Every fact, every observation, and every theory only deepens the wonder, making it clear that the King of Planets has no equal in magnitude, mystery, or majesty. And when you finally look at Jupiter in the night sky or through images sent by spacecraft, you realize that size is not just about physical dimensions. It is about influence, history, power, and the endless stories written in clouds, storms, and moons. It is about imagination stretched to the limits and curiosity that never ceases. No matter how much we study, Jupiter will always hold more secrets. Its storms may change its face, its moons may harbor surprises, and its very core may challenge what we think we know. The giant planet reminds us that the universe is alive with mysteries waiting for those who are willing to seek and dream. And as you drift away from this giant in your imagination, remember this: Jupiter is not just a planet, it is a cosmic experience, a lesson in scale, a window into the universe, and a marvel that makes us question, wonder, and marvel in ways nothing else can.